There is a plaque in the main hall in Thian Hock Keng Temple which is inscribed with calligraphy bestowed by Emperor Guangxu of Qing, China in 1907. It reads Nami, which can be translated as gentle waves on the southern seas. The imperial favour was granted in recognition of the contributions made by Hokkien merchants in Singapore towards flood relief efforts in Fujian province in 1905. Yuan Hai Qing Temple is the only other temple in Singapore that also received a similar imperial favour, given in recognition of the stature of the temple. Between 1998 and 2000, Thian Hock Keng underwent a major restoration which earned it an honourable mention in the UNESCO Asia Pacific Heritage 2001 Awards for Cultural Heritage Conservation. The general aim of the project was to restore the temple as authentically as possible, with reference to its original architectural style, structure, building techniques, and materials. Where replacement was necessary, original material from genuine authentic sources was required. All new introductions of materials or techniques were to be non-intrusive to the original fabric. This project earned the temple recognition from UNESCO. Top-down dismantling and restoration, the traditional method for Chinese temple conservation was applied. As the decay of the original roof timber was caused by water penetration, it was necessary to improve the roof's water resistance. The traditional tiling method was slightly porous, so to compensate for this, a stainless steel membrane was included between the tiling and the roof frame. The intricate carpentry of the roof structure was decaying and had been badly repainted in previous restoration efforts. Some elements had also been blackened by soot over the years. Most were catalogued and dismantled for cleaning and repair. The decayed timber parts were removed and repaired by skilled craftsmen using scarfing techniques or replaced with new timber. On cleaning, it was revealed that the original embellishments had a rich combination of gold leaf and intricately colored paint. Restoration of the finish was accomplished with traditional methods, in which a primer was used to harden the surfaces before application of the paint and gold leaf. For repairs to the severely weathered roof spirals and ridges of Thian, traditional methods involving the application of broken ceramic chips were used. Research from China and close inspection of surviving spirals confirmed that the correct method should involve the use of a lacquer paste made of minerals and glazes. Lightning conductors, which were necessary to meet the building codes, were mounted in line with the swallowtails profiles of the ridges. The recently built covered walkway linking the entrance and middle halls was replaced with revised walkways of a design similar to the original walkways in the main courtyard. Replacements were not available for all the different kinds of broken tiles in the courtyard. So to maintain a consistent appearance, original tiles were salvaged from the wings and reused only in the main courtyard. New handmade tiles of a similar design were used for the wings, so that distinction between the different tiles were only evident in the changing levels of the courtyard. Thian Hock Keng Temple continues today, as it has for the last 150 years, as a significant place of worship for devotees, and is also regarded as a place of interest to people of all faiths. Tourists, photographers, and researchers frequent the place, and the restoration project has drawn interest worldwide, with requests to film documentaries about the process. With this opportunity, the temple continues to be a historic landmark of Singapore and a valuable model for future conservation projects of similar nature in the region. Thian Hock Keng and Chongwen-ge were gazetted collectively as a national monument on 6 July 1973.